How to edit videos for YouTube on iPhone CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can edit videos on your iPhone for YouTube. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your CapCut app. And over here, you have all these things, but the basic place where you're going to start editing is you're going to click on new project. Okay, and you're going to choose any video that you want to edit. That totally depends on you. So let's say we have this video, right? So I'm going to click on add. Now once you add a random video, as you can see, here's the whole timeline of the video, and it goes on. And you could basically just start splitting this video. You can add your keyframes, split it as you want. So you can create splits, you can delete portions of video, and the splits you make, you can add animations, you can speed it up, slow it down, add camera tracking, add any type of text if you want to. So let's say I want to add some text in this, like keep watching. Okay, you can change the styling of the text. You can add in any type of font you want to. Let's say we have this, keep watching. There you go. So once you do that, then you're going to choose the quality you want to release the video in. So let's say I'm going to go with 60p, and you're going to start exporting it, and that's pretty much about it. So this is how you are going to be going ahead and creating videos for YouTube on your iPhone from CapCut. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.